What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an Xbox Series S that I'm going to be unboxing on the channel and just checking it out and getting first impressions of it. So guys, as you probably know, these are very hard to get at the time of recording. Even a year later, as this is basically 1 year old now, these things are still very hard to get, and it took a while for me to get my hands on one. All of that aside, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. As you can see, it's got little pull tabs here. Would you believe it? It's made in China. I do like the details on this box. It's pretty nice looking. Let's go ahead and get this thing open now that I've got all the pull tabs off. And here is the console itself, and that is way smaller than I thought it was going to be. I haven't watched any unboxing videos of this. I've seen reviews of it, but this is like handheld. That's insane. Let's go ahead and get this out. Set it off to the side momentarily. It's pretty heavy for being so small. Now let's go ahead and move on to the accessories. Here's a little getting started pamphlet. Got your cords right here, power, HDMI, and your Xbox Series S controller. Let's go ahead and get this out and see how this looks. Wow, this looks really good with the white triggers. It's got a nice finish. Feels pretty similar to the Xbox One S controller, and looks very similar, of course, but this finish, this actually might have been on the One S too, but it's kind of worn off on mine. It's got a nice finish on the triggers too. Not sure if you can see that, but there's a little spotting on the triggers. Feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and set this down now. I almost forgot that, of course, it comes with your typical Duracell AA batteries that last forever. Xbox product and regulatory manual that nobody ever reads. You already know that I'm gonna read it. And I think that's just about it for what's in the box. So let's go ahead and shut this and move on to the console and see how good it looks. Power your dreams, apparently. That's the slogan they're going for, looks like, for the Series S. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. All right, so we can take it out of its plastic jail and see what the finish of the console is like. Wow, that white finish does look really good on it. It's quite heavy for being so small. As you can see, the little hidden message on the bottom, hello from Seattle. One USB on the front. Here's your I/O on the back, Ethernet, 2 super speed USB connectors, HDMI, there's your storage expansion slot, and your plug. Now, this is quite a small Xbox. Here you can see it just next to the controller alone. That's insane how small that is. Of course, gotta get to the plugs. Let's go ahead and unwrap these. HDMI cable here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this Xbox to a TV so we can see how fast it boots up. Here I have a regular TV that we're going to be using to test out this Xbox Series S's first boot up. So let's go ahead and try this out. Obviously this needs to be set up, which I will do off camera. But yeah, there it is. It's on. Works perfectly fine so far. And I'll have some reviews coming out on this in the future. So guys, that is where I'm going to end off this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe with notifications so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next video.